Hey my loves, what's up and welcome back to yet another Meesho haul. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you all amazing kurtis that I got off Meesho and prices were bomb as always. So I would leave my previously done Meesho hauls in the description box. Do check them out. So if you do not know, Meesho is basically India's #1 earning app. You can sit at home and earn without any risk. So it's zero risk, zero investment. You can sit at home and earn using Meesho. So I'll let you know more about Meesho during the further part of the video, but right now let's begin with today's haul. Also, if you haven't yet downloaded the Meesho app, go ahead and download the app. I would have the link in the description box. So if you download the app via my link, you would get flat 30% off or ₹100 off on your first order, which is amazing. So go download an app with my link given in the description box. So let's begin with today's haul. Starting off with the most amazing kurta set. So it is this kurta and pants set and it is so beautiful. It has cheat work, moti work and embroidery work given. Let me just show you all pretty quickly. So particularly this hue, I love such wine colors. So talking about the embroidery, you get it on one side only in this way, starting right from the shoulder downwards towards your chest. You will get this beautiful embroidery work, cheat work and small moti work given, and the embroidery runs even on the shoulder. It is there on the front side and a little bit on the back side. The embroidery is just stunning, as you can see. I loved the embroidery. So basically the embroidery is what sells the piece. It is so good, and the material is I feel it is more of khadi cotton material and it is nice in length too. Plus on the sleeves you can see you have this kind of detailing given. I wouldn't call it exactly pleating, but some kind of stitch work is done on the sleeves. So you do get half sleeves with that kind of pleating and the embroidery on this side. Okay, so talking about the pants now, so you do get the same khadi material white pants, elasticated at the back side, and on the pants just on one leg again you get the same kind of embroidery, but the thread work is same colored as that of the kurta. So it just looks so much cohesive and beautiful. Again you can see it has this cheat work, embroidery and moti work, and everything is just so good. So you do not get any embroidery on the other leg. Now I'll tell you why. This kurta has a slit right here, so it is sideways, so one leg shows through and that leg has this embroidery. So it just looks so stunning. I would highly recommend you all. You can literally wear it to parties. It is that good. And this particular one was for around 1200 something, just because this color no other seller had. But I have seen the same kurti in pista green color, yellow color and pink color, and that was priced at just ₹680, which is like which is like a steal price for this set. The material, the quality, the finished product is just a bomb. Buy it on my name and you're gonna love it. So that was the first piece. Moving on to the second piece, again I have something in cheat work. So basically cheat work is pretty costly if you go to buy it in the market, and so I was looking for some really good kurtis that have cheat work or embroidery, moti work, because then it just makes that kurti more expensive to look, but actually you're not spending that much. So I got this one. So basically I ordered orange color, but by mistakenly the seller shipped red, so I could exchange it, but I didn't go for it because the color red looked equally good on me. And also I have also exchanged many a times products on Meesho and I have got the other products shipped. I've also returned them, I've got the refund. So there's a very flexible return or exchange policy within 7 days, so you need not worry. Just enjoy shopping on Meesho. So let's talk about this kurti. So basically it is this kind of double layered kurti in red color, and you get this cheat work all over the kurti length. So let's talk about the cheat work. As you can see, you have dark grey colored cheat and golden colored cheat were given, and in the center here this is all embroidery of purple color. So it just looks stunning, and you have the same cheat work going right till the bottom. And yes, that is how the bottom looks like, and it has slight layer of extra material at the bottom, which is again georgette. So this is basically a georgette kurta, and the sleeve has this ruffle sleeves given at the ends, which just looks good again. And the back is pretty plain, so all of the work is given right in the front, and on the other side you do get these small cheat work given all over the kurta length. Again, this is very pretty. It had many color options available too, so you can definitely check this kurta out. You would definitely loved it. It is very stunning. So next up, I got something very basic to wear at home, and it is this kurta and pant set. This is very pretty, and they had the same piece of, I think, some of the actress wearing this one, and it looked very cute. So for everyday wear, this is just perfect. And as you see, it is this cotton material all over printed floral work, and in the center you get this kind of looping given, and then you get these half sleeves with the kind of material as that of the pants over here to match them. And that is basically how the kurti is. It is printed on both the sides. Very beautiful soft material, perfect for the summer. And with this kurti you get these pants with checkered pattern, and again these are elasticated, and that is how these look like. Those are the pants, very beautiful, pista green and pink colored, just perfect. The material is perfect, breathable, very lightweight, and best for everyday wear. This particular piece was so affordable that you shouldn't even think before buying it. It is that good. Next up, I have something again a little bit on the festive side. So it is this kurta, pant and dupatta set. Again, this one wasn't very expensive, very cost effective again. So let's talk about the kurta. So you do get this keyhole design given right on the neckline with a button, and the kurta has golden foil print given all over. So the foil print is there on the sleeves, front and back. The kurta front and back, the same foil work is given. So yes, that is how the kurta looks like, white colored with golden foil print all over, really festive wear, perfect. And with the same material you get these pants. Again, these are elasticated with the same foil print given all over front and back. The quality is really nice, and with this you do get this bandhani dupatta. So in the photograph the dupatta looked more of somewhat softer material like georgette. I don't really know what that material is called, but it was definitely not cotton. But what I received was a cotton dupatta. I feel it is quite stiff right now, but post some washes, you know, it would just soften up a bit and would become more flexible, like the dupatta you wanna carry like that. You understand what I'm trying to say? So yeah, that is the dupatta. It is having two shades, pink and red, and that is how the bandhani dupatta looks like. You also get this golden border, like golden border lace given, and this bandhani work. I think this is all of this printed bandhani, and it is not that original bandhani kam. It is all printed. That is how the dupatta looks like. It is nice, but definitely I would like it more post washing it, because then the material will become more softer and more feasible to carry as a dupatta. But yeah, that was the next piece, and I think it is the dupatta. The length of the dupatta is really nice, I must say that, but I think it is the dupatta because of which the entire piece gets that classiness. So yes, that was the next piece. After that, I have something in olive green. I love this hue particularly, and this is very minimal kind of dress for any one of you who loves minimal fashion yet classy and edgy. You would love this. So talking about it, it is having kurta, a pant and a dupatta as an entire set, and that is how the kurta looks like. You do get this kind of neckline with a small V and this kind of pattern given on the neckline. The material is really soft. I think this is a kind of cotton blend material, or I don't know if it is rayon or something. I would just add it. So talking about the kurta, it is absolutely plain all over the front and the back. It is absolutely plain. The main statement are the sleeves of the kurta. Kurta overall is completely plain, but the statement are the sleeves. So you do get 3/4 sleeves, and at the ends you do get this kind of pasting wala gota patti work along with golden rhinestone pasted. So this totally adds to the look. So you do get the same work on the front and on the back of the sleeve. So overall very less work is done on the kurta, but it just looks so classy. I totally loved it. So that is how the sleeves come. And talking about the pants, these are the pants again. I feel this is a kind of rayon material, and you do get elasticated pants of the same material. Again, they are absolutely plain on the front and on the back side. The material is really nice and soft is what I liked. And then you do get this net dupatta. So the dupatta has the same rhinestones pasted. So as you can see, the same rhinestone pasting is given on the dupatta, and at the edges you do get this kind of, what do you call it, tassels attached, which is the same material as that of the kurta. So yeah, that is the dupatta. I totally loved it. Because of this net dupatta, you know, you can actually see the sleeves. It just looks bomb. I loved this piece too. So this piece was a very sasta. It wasn't expensive, so definitely get this. Next up I have this Lehariya kurti. So this is like that long kurti with that high slit, if you like that kind of kurtis. So yeah, talking about it, it is basically cotton material. I thought it would be some other material, but it is this cotton material with Lehariya print and this kind of gota patti work in the form of flowers and false mirror given all over the kurti. So it just runs all over the kurti, the same work. So the kurti length is quite long, and that is how the work given is. So basically the work is just on the front of the kurta, and on the back side it is completely plain. It is just having the same Lehariya print, and the sleeves are 3/4 with the same Lehariya print and no work. So basically entire work is done on the kurta body. That's it. But I think this one was for 419 rupees, which is again very kifaiti, and you should definitely get this one too. And I don't remember whether or not I showed this one, but this is a beautiful kurta from the brand Ishin. It is absolutely gorgeous. You do get this kind of zari detailing given on the kurta neckline. You also get gota patti work given on the neckline with thread embroidery in red, and that is how the kurta looks like. It is printed all over with foil detailing also. So the kurta looks elegant, and that's a statement one. The sleeves again have this kind of Lehariya border and printed borders given, which add up to the piece, and along the margins of the kurta you do get this gota patti lace also added. So yes, that is the next kurta from the brand Ishin, and I totally loved how elegant and rich this particular one looks. Definitely I would recommend this. So yes, those were all of the pieces that I had for you all in my Meesho haul today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Definitely download the app if you haven't yet already, and if you download the app via my link, you would get flat 30% off or ₹100 off on your first order. So what's the wait? I would have the link in the description box below. And also talking about Meesho, so Meesho is basically an online earning platform, and it is the best place to earn sitting at home with zero risk and zero investment. All you have to do is share the catalogs on Meesho with your friends and family, on WhatsApp, Facebook, or any other social media groups that you have. And if you get any orders from them, simply place them on Meesho by adding your margin. For example, if a kurti the seller is selling for 300 bucks, just sell it to your customer for 350. In that way, 50 rupees is the margin that you earn, and this margin Meesho would directly transfer to your bank account. So that's the best part. So it's very easy to earn. All you have to do is place your order on the Meesho app once you get orders from your customers. Placing an order is very simple. Just go to the product that you like and add it to your cart. From here you can opt for online delivery or COD, and simply add the margin to the product price given by the seller that you would earn, and that's it. If you are taking it for yourself, do not add any margin, and in this way you can simply place the order. One more thing, that Meesho does not have any links, they have codes. So all you have to do is search the product codes on the Meesho app. I would have all the product codes that I showed in my haul video in the description box as well as on the screen when I'm showing the particular kurtis. And that's it. You can sit at home and earn with Meesho. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Let me know if you have any other doubts, and I would meet you soon in my next video super soon. Till then, take care, namaste, and keep trending.